Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn on guest mode on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. First of all, we have to sign out of our main account by short pressing the power button and selecting sign out option on our screen. Wait until you see the sign in screen and then click browse as guest. This option is between Shutdown and Add Person in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then click Accept and Continue and proceed using this computer as a guest. Select your browser, set it as default, and do whatever you needed to do in a guest mode. Whenever you want to sign out of the guest mode, just go back to Power Options and select Sign Out. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.